Okay, so the last thing I have to talk about here is good designs and layouts for small bathrooms. So when you have like a small space and you want to have, usually people need a lot of storage. Like for me, more storage the better. So if you have a small bathroom, like good ideas to put there would be a wall-hung toilet. This will save you some space, like in the bathroom, because the tank actually goes inside the wall. Also, you can use walk-in showers instead of the tubs, because a walk-in shower you can have like 48 by 48, while a tub you need like a 60 by 32, 60 by 30. So you can save some space using like just a walk-in shower. Medicine cabinets are a very good idea as well. Right now there's a lot of medicine cabinets that you can do recessed in the wall, so you don't get that junky like feeling of it going like after the wall, right? So you need, everything is heating. And at the same time, you can have LED medicine cabinets too. So it gives you like the lighting more like comfy. Vanities should be like, try to get the best of the space you have. So put some storage, because pedestal sinks, like you're not gonna have any storage. So if it's a small bathroom and then you put a pedestal sink, like you're not gonna have that storage. It's always good to have. Another thing that I actually was visiting an open house a few weeks ago, and the house was beautiful. Like everything was so nice. But when I went to the second washroom, like the master bedroom wasn't too bad. Like there was quartz countertop, was like a nice look. But the second washroom was so tiny, and they put like black tiles all over. It was like a nightmare because the space was so tiny, and then they put like all those black tiles. It was just like, if this space, it feels like claustrophobic to be like in that space. So that's something that you always like, put some nice tiles, like light colors. It will help you to give like that open space, and with a good lighting, it will help you as well. You can always add niche. You can always add like some extra storage on the shower as well. So I think that would be some good options if you're having like a small bathroom renovation and you need to make the most of it. So yeah, I think that's it for my part. I don't know if you have any questions. I talk a lot, so, and fast. But you can always visit our showroom, and then you want to see the progress. We have a lot of vanities from Italy, like glass countertop, that they're very durable, super easy to clean, nice to like the look of it. So these are kind of stuff that you have to go and see, then actually you can get more information about it. Okay, thank you so much for your time.